Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the essentials: a modern browser with WebAssembly and WebGL enabled, and a lightweight disk image. Next, pick the only practical route: a WASM-based emulator like v86 or a QEMU WASM build. This runs the VM inside the browser sandbox. You prepare the disk image and configure minimal RAM and CPU so the browser remains responsive. Once done, load the WASM VM engine, attach the ISO or QCOW2, and grant any required permissions for file access. Once the engine is loaded, you configure the VM, assign a small number of CPU cores and limited RAM, and set a sensible display resolution to reduce overhead. Then attach the boot medium, either kernel/initted or an ISO/QCOW2 image, and enable networking using the provider's WASI socket proxy or WebSocket bridge. Start the VM and watch boot logs in the developer console. Make incremental performance tweaks, like lowering resolution or toggling hardware acceleration, to keep the browser. You finish by completing the guest operating system setup, and if available, installing guest tools for better input and graphics. Make a snapshot or export the modified disk image using the browser's file APIs or indexed DB so changes persist. If something breaks, inspect the developer console for WASM, networking, or storage errors. Then try reducing allocated RAM, enabling swap-like file backing, or disabling problematic features. Finally, rerun the VM with relaxed settings to isolate the cause and restore a working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.